The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrem near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Take kumki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksao point riulak. Just wow.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Singla Associates, Royal Enfield Shillong, ha ringkat ka Jetri Langbat ka Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong, kala pelong yaka The Independence Convoy 2026, kum shibenta ka jingrakhi yaka singi yo lajlu ka bah nyop kundai senam kari India, ha ka khatsantrik unailar arja pun rio. Ha kanika singi, kidon palat chispa san phongot kinongnya thuk Royal Enfield ki balai shimbenta, kinongnya thuk na kitanat sipai bat na kiriu pajba. Ka jing pelong ya kanika jingnya thuk ka longru kum shibenta ban kan mau buram ya ki sipai ki bala len ladi na ka benta ban yada ya kari la saki lang ha kanika jingnya thuk do General Officer Commanding ka 101 area ubala long kum kongsan bat ubala kawe lama ya ka jingya rally da ki thuk ringkat ka jiadon lang ki kimi ki pa jong Captain K Clifford Nongrum ubala khladno ha ka jia kun thma persha ya ki nongshun ha Kargil. Ya kanika jingnya thuk Independence Convoy 2026 la penkot da ka jingra ya ka khubor ka jing iri ka jingya teli ka jingelong shipara bat ka jingkit khli kum ki nong shong shnong
Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Navirod Karbanga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Ujjala Jalodi Janagana Mangala Nayak Jaya Jaya Jaya.
Not stop or clap. And I'll also request Singla sir to kindly be part of this.
Parents of Captain K. Clifford Nogrum, the organizers present here, the avid bikers, the bikers from the armed forces, first occasion of the Independence Day. The Independence Day reminds us of the valor and sacrifice that were put by our forefathers in getting our independence, and over the years where the nation has transformed into a vibrant, developing nation, and it's got a place in the comity of nations, and we all as citizens have a great responsibility to make our nation even stronger as the times go on. That's the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister too, as Viksit Bharat by 2047, and I'm sure we'll get there. And we as the armed forces are even marching towards being a strong, competitive, technically empowered, able to take on any challenge in future. So once again, I would like to thank the organizers on this great occasion of our Independence Day, and also would like to thank them to respect the valor and sacrifice and the dedication of the armed forces by conducting this great rally, and I see a great enthusiastic participation from all of you present here. Once again, wishing you a great Independence Day. Stay safe, stay happy, ride safely. All the best for the future. Jai Hind.
01 area, president of the club, and all members and writers and other members present here. We are very grateful to you. This Rotary Club has invited us last year also, and this year also again they have invited us for which and keep this honor to us, for which we are really thankful to you. And we really we cannot say in by word, but we really in our heart we really thanks to you for conducting all this function today. And also I wish that all the writers write very happy live writing and also set writing. And also regarding Clifford, there is no time much, so I will not be able to say anything about Clifford, but really I wish to you all happy writing and happy Independence Day. With this few words, I thank you once again.
We have full house. We've never been so full all this while. This is our 5th edition of Independence Day ride, which we've been holding now, and I'm very happy. So first of all, I'm really thankful to Sir, the GOC Sir, for bringing us for coming to the chief guest as chief guest over here. And for us, the Independence Convoy is not merely a motorcycle ride. It is a humble expression of the gratitude, respect, and patriotism towards the men and women of our armed forces who have dedicated themselves to protecting our nation. As we ride through the streets of Shillong today, we ride with a simple message: freedom comes through a price, and that price has been paid by the generations of brave soldiers through their courage, sacrifice, and service. Today is particularly significant as we remember the extraordinary valor of late Captain K. Clifford Nongrum, a son of Meghalaya who made the supreme sacrifice in the service of our country. His courage continues to inspire us and reminds us that patriotism is not merely a word, but a commitment to something greater than ourselves. Through this convoy, Singla Associates and the Rotary Club of Orchid Shillong, City Shillong, hope to bring the civilian community and the armed forces together in a spirit of unity, respect, and brotherhood. As Royal Enfield riders, we will also want to demonstrate that riding is not just a passion and adventure. It is also about discipline, responsibility, camaraderie, and respect for a fellow citizen. So today, we carry our national weather. Let us remember those who made our freedom possible, honor those who continue to protect it, and resolve we serve our nation in whatever we can.
Ruko, Schwaba finchet da kajo si kajo ko umpinyang balapan don kam. Apshwa, na markane kakta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kane ko umpinyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante siya nala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kane ko umpinyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata lembah ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan ktasyo.
Iperti yang tau ke Iwan. Em kuwi ko prom kwa oknai pi.
Ivanไปคอนแรมกว่าลายสกอตมั้งคนตอมฉันแน่พลังนี่ทำเป็นบทเองกินหลอกพา
บนเส้นกิบรุงจุกลีพาเกียงตั้งกี่ขมัดพร้อมชนะยี่หยอกพยได้
กองอีวันอ่องเราเองก็เป็นผู้สู้ยากรำมอต่อระบุนรายกรำเต็มเอเจอร์ดีพี่ก็กองนั่นน่ะ
อยากคิดวิวงานนี่นะมาแม่ขึ้นมาวันนี้ทำมันแอมยาวฮะ
แม่สเตลงามสร้างเกี่ยวแบบเก่า
Tapi ni pada yang pergi ke Kuala ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bocna bocai suruh.
Ngaku ai amalai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa. Hikai ko nongkong daga simple design go ar dah hikai design mana je dia kan ya simple design.
Gini ke check tu ram sorkar mah.
Kampung dah terang la duk mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat.